Sa Jesus maingon siya mga tinud-an, nahigugma ako kaninyo ingon nga ang amahan, nahigugma kanako. Pabilin kamo sa akong gugma. Kung tumanon ninyo ang akong mga sugo, magpabilin kamo sa akong gugma. Ingon nga ako nagtuman sa mga sugo sa akong amahan, o magpabilin sa gugma.
Alfie, I stole your heart and you stole mine. That will be the perfect crime, right? You rose into my life like a sunrise. A promised sunrise that brightens my way, my days, with the light in your eyes.
Took a morning ride to the place where you and I were supposed to meet. The city owns the echo on, my thoughts are spinning on and on my head, it seems. They lead me back to you. I keep coming back to you. Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that we lose control, in circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You. Oh, 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 oh. Took a morning ride, gotta leave this all behind. For with you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we can control.
I promise to be your faithful husband. I promise to love you when the sun shines, when the rain falls, in sickness and in health. When you look at the stream, think of me and remember that I love you always.
Coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are. Oh, 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 oh.
Well, you are the God's answers to my prayers. I vow to take care of you and love you unconditionally.
So
Jan and May, ani ba ikaw sa imong kabubuton, aron pagbukos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon diha sa paghigugmang pagkalagad sa imong bana.
Yes, Father.
Alfie, may ani ba ikaw sa imong kabubuton aron pagbukos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon diha sa paghigugmang pagkalagad sa imong asawa.
Yes, Father.
I found a way home. 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 I found a way home.
Mga Jan and May, Alfie, hinahon pronta nga mudamog kamo kanunay sa Ginoo sa kalipay ug sa inyong kong kaguol ug sa inyong mga kalibog ayaw gayud kalimot sa Ginoo.
I'm coming home to you. Oh
I love you. Bisag, badlungon ka.